Hi, this is Brian with All American Eyeglass Repair. I want to go over a few ways of repairing your eyeglasses at home, what you should and should not do. The first thing I want to go over is a screw, one of the most common breaks in a frame there. Screw comes out. What you could do is you can actually install that temple right back onto the frame and line those holes up in the hinges and stick a toothpick or a bread tie down inside of there. It'll get you by until you can get into your eye care provider or send your glasses to All American Eyeglass Repair. One of the ways that I want to go over on how not to fix your eyeglasses is to use glue. Folks will go in and glue their eyeglasses back together, and the problem with that is glue generally doesn't hold anything when it comes to eyeglasses. Also, not even thinking about it, you could accidentally touch your lens with glue on your finger, and now you have smudges of glue. Just makes a mess of everything. So anything you do not use glue to repair your eyeglasses. I've never heard of a convenient time for someone's eyeglasses to break. When that happens, you have to do some things on your own until you can get into your eye care provider or visit AmericanEyeglassRepair.com because you need to see now.